So those turquoise ones are obviously bad luck for me on this batch. So let's go for a pink one. Again, the conditions of these are not that good. There's a little chip in the screen. Um, yeah, the charge port looks fine from here. So let's plug it in, see what it does. Here we go. Oh, it's just glitching. Oh, it's charging. Is it just a dodgy port? Oh, awesome. Let's try this side. Yeah, this is the same as well. It's only drawing 5 volts that side. 5 volts and nothing. But this side, 15 volts. Right, charge port it is then. Finally, something a bit easier.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna
Went pretty smoothly that time. Just going to clean the port now. Now let's see if it recognizes both ways. Dun, 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 dun. Yep, it's only reading 5 volts still though. Oh, and this way, 15 volts. Right, so why is it only 5 volts one way? That is interesting, isn't it? Only 5 volts one way. So I've got a spare battery here, tester, out of my many switches that I failed to repair. This should have enough charge in it. Right, so basically it's not charging one way. Not charging one way. Let's try it the other way. And it should charge. I think that's charging. 0.15. Jumps down to 6. 7. I think this battery is depleted. I thought it was charged. 26. Yeah, so charge in one way. Is that an M92 issue? Just going to confirm it in the other switch. I mean, back in its original casing. Right, let's have a look. Is it only charging a one way? So facing towards us, 15 volts, 0 amp draw. Battery's not plugged in properly. There you go. Right, try that again. 15 volts, and it is charging. It is depleted though, that's why. Okay, and what about the other way? We're getting 5 volts and nothing. And yeah, nothing on that side. So it's not a charge port issue. I am going to check around for shorts first. I'm in continuity. It beeps when there's a short. Let's test it. No, there's no shorts around that. I guess because it's partially failed. Or it could be the BQ, but there's no shorts around BQ neither. By this little resistor or cap. No, that's fine. No, that's fine. So I'm going to change M92 first. This is the failed motherboard that I tried to do yesterday and today. So I'm just going to pull the M92 straight off. Yep, that looks okay to me. It's good enough. Now, is it going to work? That is the question. Do we get charging both ways? Or 15 volts both ways? So let's do it upside down first, because that's how it would be in the switch. Right? 15 volts that way. Now this way. 15 volts that way. There you go. So it was the M92 chip. And just confirm inside the actual switch itself. So this one needed a new charge port and M92. Let's go. Ready? 15 volts, 0.6, and a picture, which wasn't there before facing this way. And same with the other side. 15 volts, 0.17 amps, and a picture. There you go. This one is fixed. I'm going to come back once it's fully powered up, and then we can give it a little test. So I think it's powered up now. It's drawing 570 milliamps, which is usually means it's powered up. And I click it, it goes up the draw, and yes, it works. Oh, I don't have the touchscreen connected, so let me quickly just do that. Right, so the touchscreen's working. The last game played wasn't Fortnite. That's something new I'm checking every time. Um, yeah, looks very well used Switch. Some nice games on there. It's 18.0.1 firmware. Touchscreen seems fine. Analog stick up and down doesn't work. Left and right doesn't work. I think there's major stick drift. What? Nope. Forget that. I don't have it plugged in. Let me quickly plug it in. Right. There you go. Now it's working. So if I go to controllers, calibrate control sticks, let's have a look at this one. Yeah, look, it's just going down all the time. I knew it had major stick drift. Okay, we'll have to change that one. And the right one seems fine. The only issue is I have got analog sticks, but they're black only. But I'll have to just work what I've got. So let me quickly do that afterwards, after I've changed the, tested the display, sorry. Test input devices, touchscreen. Considering it's got that chip in there, it seems absolutely fine. No dead spots. Lovely. So let me change the analog stick and then I'll try the game card reader and the SD card reader. Battery is at 22% now.
They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Right, here we go. Let's power it on. It's turning on with the power button rather than me plugging it in. Is it going to work? Yeah, there you go. That feels nice. That feels so new. Just to make sure it doesn't need calibrating. Yeah, it's not centering properly. You can see it hasn't got the cross on it. There's no cross unless I move it manually. So let's do a quick calibration. And voila, there you go. Got the cross on it now. So yep, let's check the game cartridge reader, see if it works. May help if I plug one in. Hold on. Deary me. Alright, it's plugged in. Power it back on. Yep, red Mario Kart. Now the game card reader. Yep, it's recognized the game card, the SD card. SD card reader, I meant, not game card reader. So yeah, that's another fully fixed Switch. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know like when I'm live or I've uploaded a new video. But yeah, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.